Would you believe me if I told you that these pita sandwiches are stuffed raw? These are Egyptian Arayes, made with ground beef or lamb, mixed with a few spices, spread inside pita bread, then grilled until crispy outside and juicy inside. Let's start by placing 1 onion, a handful of parsley, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and half a jalapeno with the seeds into a chopper or blender. Blend and squeeze all the water, leaving this aside in a bowl. Wash and drain out all the water from 500 grams of mince, it can be lamb or beef. And then to this, add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix this all together and leave aside. Make sure that all the ingredients are properly incorporated. And this is what it should look like. And I can't tell you how absolutely amazing it smells. Taking our pitas, we're going to cut them in half and make a hollow in the center. Once you've halved and hollowed all the pitas, it's now time to stuff them. Place about 2 tablespoons of the raw filling into the pitas as shown and flatten the pitas out until the filling is about 1 centimeter thick. Do this to all the pitas until the filling and the pitas are finished. And we are now ready to grill them all. To grill these, grease some olive oil onto a pan on medium heat. Then brush some olive oil onto the pitas and place these into the pan. You can place these about 4 at a time into the pan. Allow them to grill for about 5 minutes and then turn these over. In total, these will require about 10 minutes of grilling time. Remove from the pan when the tops are crispy and golden brown. Serve these with fries, salads, and sauces of your choice. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell. And what do you think I'm making next?